This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I can do it!
No, you can't!
Ugh! Yes, I can! I know it!
No way!
Oh! I'm telling you, I can!
And I'm telling you, you can't! Say what you want, but it's impossible to make a unicorn figurine in 10 seconds!
It is possible. I just need to practice first.
Practice?
I'll make unicorn figurines faster and faster until I reach 10 seconds.
Oh, please. Practice all you won't be able to do it anyway.
Ugh!
Here, this will help you control the time.
Thank you. Right, I have all the colors of polymer clay I need, and these special tools. I'm ready to start! And the timer's off! I am. Look how nice it's coming out.
Well, it's all good while you have a lot of time.
Guys, do you like unicorns? Give a thumbs up if you do. Right. I'm done with the white part. Now, I'll add all kinds of details. I have lots of time. Hey, Sam!
Sam, what? I just wanted to check.
I need it! Go on, don't get in the way.
Fine.
I only need to add the face parts.
A minute and a half.
I'm done!
Not bad for a start. Continue. 10 minutes to go. Great at making figurines, but even 5 minutes is a bit too little. Not mentioning 10 seconds.
Sam, you're bothering me with your mumbling.
Am I? Fine, I'm leaving.
There's just a bit left.
You won't make it.
I will.
Three, two, one.
Here, look. All done.
This unicorn isn't half as good. 5 minutes now, go on.
5 minutes. Right. I need to stretch my fingers. Phew.
Aha!
Oh, what?
Well, just checking if you're ready.
I am.
Start the timer! Guys, do you think Sue will be able to make a unicorn in 10 seconds? Pause the video and write success or fail in the comments.
I'm sure everyone will support me.
No. I'm sure they'll agree with me.
We'll see. I know. I'm almost done.
Hurry up and time's up.
I made it. Done.
It looks crumply, but fine, it'll do.
I need to rest for a bit.
No resting!
Sam, put it down. It's not a toy.
Go on. Make it in 2 minutes now. Start! What's that?
A unicorn! Look, there's the horn and even the mane.
Well, I don't know. Continue this way, and you'll lose.
Oh, I'm getting no support from you today.
My reputation is at stake!
Your reputation?
Of course! My reputation as a slime who knows everything, including how much time it takes to make a unicorn. Guys, if you're ready to support me, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. I'm starting to lose my confidence.
And I'm very confident. What's next? 1 minute? Let's go.
Oh! Stop! Are you ready to admit your defeat?
Not at all. It's still a rather recognizable unicorn.
I'm not so sure.
Just a bit more. 30 seconds.
Start! Time's up! And you're going to call that a success as well?
Well, it has a horn, so yes.
You have interesting assessment standards.
Oh, Sam, I feel like you're starting to worry, aren't you?
Me? No, definitely not. Start! Finish!
Don't laugh, it's very cute.
Oh, yeah. Let our viewers decide.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together.
Guys,
again.
do you think I've managed to make all of the unicorns all right? Write in the comments. Sam!
Sam, what? They fell down on their own.
Guys, did you like this video? Don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos, give a thumbs up.
I thought this delivery from the elf shop would never arrive.
Yeah, lucky us.
Would it hurt you for once in your life to look dignified?
Dignified for what?
Some friends of Elizabeth are coming.
Friends? I beg your pardon. They are the sophistication delegation from the Pish Posh Kingdom.
The Pish Posh Kingdom? Where's that?
Apparently, that's where our countess learned to wag her tail with such finesse.
Actually, it's where I learned everything there is to know about royal protocol. How to sit, how to speak.
How to roll over and give your paw?
I'll give you a paw, you feral fleabag.
Well, it all sounds very important, Countess, and we should greet our visitors properly.
Thank you, Your Highness. Now, everyone needs to be in ceremonial dress. We simply cannot welcome the sophistication delegation in any other way, so chop chop. Come along now.
Why do I have to change? I'm perfect as I am.
Hey, where'd all the clothes go?
Oh, they disappeared.
What?
Cool down, Countess.
Not a stitch of clothing left in the castle.
And nothing out here on the clothesline.
Well, at least our pajamas were still here. I could get used to wearing these all day.
Someone must have snuck in and stole all of our clothes. How could that have happened when a certain cat was on guard duty?
My eyes were open the whole time.
Sounds like someone needs a cuddle!
If someone did take our clothes, I'll find them. Guards honor!
We absolutely must find the clothes, Your Majesty. We simply cannot allow the Pish Posh delegation to see us dressed like this.
Don't worry, Elizabeth, we will. Go straight on into the throne room and set up. Make sure we get a good shot from every single angle. Ah, Billy, aren't you the lucky one to have visitors from the Pish Posh Kingdom coming? We decided to come and broadcast the whole thing live so no one misses a thing. But why are you wearing pajamas?
Don't you worry about the princess. She'll be dressed in all her finery by the time the Pish Poshers arrive.
Hope so.
Hey, aren't those my boots?
Look what I found on the road leading out.
Oh, the thief must have dropped it. Let's see if there's more.
Wait for me!
I get that Fiona is busy leading the Pish Poshers to magic, but why do I have to be the one pulling the carriage?
Why did you have to let the thief into the castle?
Look, another sock.
Oh, the thief's leaving a trail.
Did you see anyone going by carrying a bunch of clothes?
Someone stole your clothes too?
Right down to our last seaweed dress.
Oh, my dears, how dreadful! Is the thief taking everyone's clothes?
Let's keep following the trail of socks.
Maybe the news reporters had a scoop on the story. Huh? Clothes thief got you too, huh? It's a big day here at Princess Lily's castle where everything seems to be ready to welcome the delegation from the Pish Posh Kingdom. Everything, that is, but the princess herself. Where could the official host of these prestigious guests be, Marie? We caught up with the princess a little while ago, and this is what she had to say about the event. That Billy, always so posh. I just hope she wakes up before the delegation arrives.
Isn't it odd that everyone else has lost their clothes but the twins?
Princess, there's not a moment to lose. We must find our clothing.
Kitty, rickshaw.
Look!
After them!
You must stop them, Your Majesty. You're our only hope.
Be careful, Billy.
Excuse me! Excuse me!
That's weird. They totally ignored you.
Hey, well, if they don't want to talk, can't say we didn't try.
Hello? 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 It's like they can't see us.
And their eyes look really strange, like they're under a spell.
Of course they're under a spell. Have you ever seen ogres work this hard naturally?
Bad Berry, did you cast a spell on them?
Who else? That trick takes a lot of talent, you know.
But why? Why are you trying to get rid of all our clothes?
So that when the Pish Poshers come to your castle and see you all in your pajamas, they'll laugh you right out of magic-y. Then Princesses Marie and Antoinette will have all the attention in their fabulous dresses.
So the twin princesses are behind all of this.
Did you think I was sending all these clothes out to be washed?
You stop this right now!
And just how are you going to make me? Ogres?
one messes with my princess.
Oh, yeah? I'll...
Put a sock in it.
Oh, it stinks.
I think that's one of my socks. Countess Ninja!
Elizabeth, that was awesome!
Yes, but all of our clothes are gone for good now. We have nothing left.
That was so brave of you, Elizabeth. Thank you. And now I have to ask you to do something even braver. Make sure you don't miss anything.
Introducing the Sophistication Delegation from the Pish Posh Kingdom.
I knew you'd make a good impression no matter what you had on.
Oh, thank you, Your Highness. Magic-y is so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. You know what? I'll just go to the costume party without a costume. You're going to a costume party? Why didn't you say so? We were just pranking you. We're sorry.